Hey everybody, welcome back to the Roadhouse. Today we're going to be using the BBQ Vortex. I'll be doing a tri-tip, and I'm going to be doing some country pork ribs. And we're going to hit the tri-tip with KosmosQ SPG. And of course for my pork ribs, I'm going with Uncle Steve's Sweet and Spicy here, man. Y'all go check out Uncle Steve, man. Uncle Steve Shakes.com. Get y'all some of that good stuff, and then KosmosQ.com. Get y'all some of that. Instead of cooking indirect on the outside, we're gonna cook indirect in the middle, and we're gonna throw our heat around the outside. So y'all stick around. I'll show y'all how we're gonna do that. Vortex in the middle, charcoal around the outside. This is going to be our indirect zone right there. So let me get the grill set up on here, and we'll be back in a minute when we put the meat on. Tri-tip right in the middle. We're going to let that go for a little while, and we'll come back check on it. Alright, let's check on this tri-tip, see what kind of temp we're running here. 24. We're gonna go up a little bit more. We're going for like a little medium. Alright, a little bit more, y'all. We'll come back and check on it. Fire ring around the outside, indirect in the middle. A little backwards vortex for you. Alright, let's see how we're doing on our tri-tip here. Well, look at that. I threw my corn on there. Get it started. Oh yeah, man. 130, 139, 138. Alright, let's pull this and get it off. Let it start resting. Get these ribs on here. Alright, gang. We'll put our corn on the outside for now. Yes, it's over the fire. It's not too bad on this side. We're going to put a little wood chips on here. Ribs are on. A little hickory chip for some smoke. And we'll give these probably about 10 minutes or so. We'll come back and check on them. Alright, 10 minutes. Looking pretty good, y'all. We'll go a little bit more. We're gonna flip them. We'll be back. Alright, let's see how we're doing on the pork ribs, y'all. We'll probably flip. Oh Lord, yeah, they done. Tender, tender, tender. Alright, let me flip these over and get this corn pulled off of here. And then we're gonna put a little sauce on them, so we'll be back. We're gonna go with some Sweet Baby Ray's honey chipotle barbecue sauce today. Put a little bit of this on here, and we're gonna just let it go. Like that. Smelling good in the neighborhood, y'all. Just like that. It's gonna pair very well with the Uncle Steve's Sweet and Spicy. So we'll give this probably about 7 minutes or so, and we'll be back. Ribs are done. Let's get these off of here. Get them inside. Ooh, look at that. Look at that, boy. Smells good. Nice, huh? Look at that color. Smells fantastic. Alright, y'all. I'll meet y'all inside. Tri-tip is rested. Oh, probably about 20-30 minutes or so. Let's cut this dude open and see what we got, y'all. Oh yeah, baby. Nothing wrong with that, y'all. Now we're gonna get a little slice. And I'm using my Dow Strong boning and filet now. All right. Cheers to you, gang. One more time. Oh yeah. All right. Let me grab these ribs. We'll be right back. Turned out pretty nice. That Vortex does a good job. Excellent. I got it zoomed in, so let's cut some of this dude up right quick. Cut her off the bone right there. Nice and juicy. Oh yeah. Nice color, huh? How you like that? All right. Y'all come up here and let's get a little bite of these ribs, and y'all go check out Uncle Steve, man. UncleSteveShake.com. You can get y'all some of that good rub. Everything he has is excellent, y'all. Cheers to you, gang. That is so good. And with that sweet baby Ray's, that's a perfect match. Honey chipotle. Oh, that's good. Miss Cary made some Cajun Tater Salad. Huh? Well, if y'all could smell that. Oh, what? Anyway, we're going to get out of here, y'all. Thank y'all for stopping by again. Y'all have a great weekend. We'll see y'all next time.